Okay, this is Project Crawlspace 3 or 4. 3. One of the two. Been a while since I've been able to do anything, but this is what we've done extra since last time. Lay down the vapor barrier, not attached to anything yet. I have plenty of overhang just in case I want to do something with that. I don't know what. It's laying over the top of the old vapor barrier that was there. So hopefully that'll give a little bit more protection. I'm not sure where I stopped last time, but I put in if I can keep from falling down, all the joist hangers. So there's quite a few. What do I count? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There's 40 joist hangers altogether. So 8 nails a piece. That was a lot. But finally got them all in, cut a few joists themselves, and they seem to be okay. I'm a little off. I'm going to have to shim a little bit, but that was kind of expected. So that's pretty much it. And it's pretty sturdy. Once the cross beams got in, it really helped a lot. So I'll do, I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, I guess that's it. I'll do another video whenever it's done. Okay, so I'm all done with the floor supports all the way around. Made a bunch of mistakes, but I think I'll be able to fix them once I get the floor down. But got a planer where the joists were sticking up over the well, whatever you call this, the rim joist. The 4 joists were sticking up, so I planed them down, and everything's pretty even now. So I vacuumed all the shavings. I'm gonna put insulation down just a small bit, and then put the floor on, and then be done, and also clean up in here. So that's it for now. Alright, I wanted to get a video before I put all this insulation in of the little insulation hanger thingamajigs. And all that does is keeps the insulation from falling down into onto the ground. But I've already got that much, and gonna put the rest of these in, and I'll take a video of that. Alright, got all the insulation done. I just used just R13. I think it's 3.5 inches thick, even though these are 2x10s. I mean, I just don't have the need for anything more than 13. Really, I didn't have to really do it at all, but I thought it would help a little bit. So got everything in. Since everything's on 16-inch centers, it just slid right in, and had some gaps just filled in with extra pieces. But when everything's ready, I'm gonna go ahead and get the pieces for the floor tomorrow, I hope, and get that laid, and should be good. Till next time. Alright, so I thought I'd do a little video of how I screwed up before I finish everything. Right in here is where I screwed up, and I knew I did, but it's going to keep me from doing the floor the right way. I'm going to overlap the joints there to there, and it looks fine there. But here in the middle, it's going to be, I think I'm going to have to do 3 separate pieces, and do a little jigsaw work to make everything line out. But it's not going to matter since it's just a subfloor. But I thought I'd shoot a video to show that before I finished. Okay, we are done for now. I've got all the floor down. Everything's screwed down. I think those are 1 5/8 inch nails. Got one more piece, but that piece is about, oh, I don't know, a ½ inch off. And rather than trying to rig something up, I'm going to wait until I do the rest to fill that in. So that'll be a while. I don't really need it right now. But here it is. All done. Everything real sturdy. Plan will be at some point I'll lay a wall from here all the way here, and then I'll attach it up here just to be able to put shelves. Same thing on that side. Next big project is to clean all this up, and then I'm going to do the same thing except a lot neater and a lot nicer on this side. We'll get a closer look here. I'll probably take it to that column right there, second column, and then bring it all the way back down to this wall, and then all the way across. Have to dig a little dirt down just to make it flat, but that's the plan for now. So that's it. It's taken a while, learned a lot. So this will be the storage area for now. That's it.